Everybody talks about AI taking over people's job. But what if I told you there are businesses that can never be replaced by AI? Yes, you heard me. There are businesses that AI cannot replace. Remember during the time of COVID, there were businesses that were shut down. There were businesses that couldn't function, but yet there were also businesses that were making millions. In fact, that year was their best year. You know that AI can trade, design, AI can analyze the market, technology is taking over, but there are still industries that can never be replaced by technology. Technology cannot hold land for himself. Technology cannot grow food for himself. Neither technology can control money. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you three powerful businesses that you can start investing in now. I need to build sustainable wealth and financial freedom. It is smart and wiser for you to invest your money, your time, your energy on something that is sustainable, something that you can build to last, something that can even give you that sustainability and financial freedom. Come back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sumis. I'm the Chief Operator Manager at Nkojili Investment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My number one here is real estate. Real estate is something that people will always know. Advanced technology. People will always need shelter. People will always need home. People will always need space. People will always need real estate. Even no matter what you do in this life, no matter what you become, you will always need real estate. Even technology will also need real estate, because you're not going to do it on air. It's going to be on land. You see, they need that space. Even if you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, politician, whatever you are, you still need real estate. Without real estate, there's no hospital, because there is no bank, because you are still going to build on land. So real estate is really important. This is something that people will always need now, forever, and meeting the needs of people is exchange of wealth. Now, meeting the needs of people actually means exchanging value for your money. Now, how do you start this real estate company? You can start by being a realtor or an agent. Just start selling other people's property. By then, you start building your own company. So real estate is my number one. If you want to venture into any business, I would recommend real estate. And my number two is agriculture. Is something that people will always need. AI may analyze the soil. AI may automate farm, but AI cannot grow food on its own. We need people that will grow this food, and people will always need food, regardless of how the economy becomes or whatever technology is advancing. There are people who does not have cars, but is there anybody that can really do without food? Food is essential. Food is something that we will always need. The need of people, we will always need food. So agriculture is something that can stay relevant for the longest, if not forever, till Jesus comes. Yes, agriculture is something that if you invest in, and agriculture is diversified. You can choose livestock, you can choose crops, you can choose any part of agriculture, and you don't really need much money to start this agriculture. You can just be at your backyard. You can just be growing crops at your backyard, or start a fishery farm or a poultry farm, or start with 2, 3 beds or 4 beds, depends on your capacity. And guess what? Before you know, you start growing. If it's just one crate of egg you are supplying a day, that's a lot of money. And this is what people will always need now to Jesus come. So agriculture is very important and is really good. And this is kind of business that technology can never replace. No matter how advanced technology becomes, technology can never replace this business. So it's finance and investment. I can never control the trust, the wealth, the risk involved in investing, or the risk involved in managing your finance. This is what humans will always do. Imagine you going to the bank and everything, people are not there to assist you. It's not possible. So finance and investment is something that can never be replaced by AI. Finance isn't just about money. Finance has to do with building trust, understanding, relationship. It's about strategy, the timing, understanding the people. That's what AI can never do. Now, before you worry about technology taking over your job or taking over the world, how do you fit in? Before you worry about those things, why not focus your energy more on things that technology can never replace, which I just mentioned: real estate, agriculture, finance and investment. Why not focus on those areas the future is for those that want assets, not for those that fear technology. Start your investment today. Start building on this area today for you to grow financial freedom. See, These things take time. They don't just go overnight, but it's something that we're definitely proud of. So let me know in the comments to be investing in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. See you again in the next